we have 2 hours in the workshop. We have gone over the posters and papers together, and we were deciding the awards like until the last minute. So we have 2 awards sponsored by 2 different technical committees. So I'll go one by one, and George and Anthony will give you the certificates. Maybe you can come onto the stage, please. Uh, okay. Okay, the first award is the Best Paper Award. So, the Best Paper Award out of 8 spotlight presentations we have, sorry, 6 spotlight presentations we have, it goes to Height Heterogeneous Interaction Graph Transformer for Robot Navigation in Crowded and Constrained Environments. Applause. And others can come on the stage and claim their certificate. So this is a $200 cash prize that would be given by Cognitive Robotics Technical Committee. We'll soon send you the details how you can claim the prize and other things. Yeah.
Congratulations. Five fist bumps.
Congrats. Congrats.
We will send you the award by PDF, by email, and also the picture if we have it. Yeah.
Thanks.
And the next award is the best poster, but we have a kind of restriction on what we can do. We have a best poster on evaluation only, so because it's sponsored by the particular technical committee. So this best poster goes to GSI, a Proximx-based Proximix guided general safety metric for evaluating safety in social navigation context. And congratulations. And you'll have $200 cash prize as well, sponsored by Performance Evaluation and Benchmarking of Robotics and Automation Systems Technical Committee. Please be on stage.
All right. Congratulations.
Thank you. Okay, just a few pointers about claiming the award. So it's basically you have to register on IEEE Concur within the 45 days of the event. So we'll send you the email as within a week probably. So be watchful of that. And the awardees will be claiming the awards through as travel reimbursements, as some tickets for the hotel, meals, and other things. So please keep your tickets. And thank you, Anthony and George, again for presenting the awards. And we finally have some closing remarks. So just to say, we have wonderful speakers today, and we have closely 100 plus participants in total duration of the workshop. And there was one point of time where we have almost 80 participants online and offline together. So it's a very successful workshop coming back from 2022, where we have fewer participants, I suppose. So we plan to continue this in the future iterations and hope this brings the community together and we have more of these discussions and we keep the field growing in a positive direction. So thank you all again. And finally, we have last announcement. We have dinner at 6 p.m. If you plan to join us, we will be here. So thank you again.